Hello everyone, how to solve this linear equation question I am explaining. So first you should start simplifying this inner bracket. So 2x minus 1 minus x by 2. So if you simplify this one, I'm separately showing how to simplify. So LCM is 2. Okay. So 4x minus of 1 minus x by 2. Okay. So 4x minus 1 plus x, minus into minus plus x by 2. This is becomes 5x minus 1 by 2. So already 1 by 2 is there into 1 by 2. Okay. Same means 5x minus 1 by 4. Okay, this term, full term. Okay. So 7x minus 1 by 4 minus 5x minus 1 by 4 equal to 19 by 3. So common denominator is 4. Okay. So 7x minus 1 minus 5x plus 1 equal to 19 by 3. So minus 1 plus 1 cancels. 7x minus 5x is 2x by 4 equal to 19 by 3. Answer 2 2s. So cross multiply means x equal to 38 by 3. That is 2 into 19 by 3. 38 by 3. So if you write in mixed fraction means 12. 2 by 3 is the answer, x value. So thank you for watching.